Yeah. Ah, this is. So what we'll do, I'll put the nut back in there, as such, like this, so then we know that they go together. You know what I'm saying, G-Dog? So we've just done a bit of degreasing on Dolly here. So we'll let that penetrate in, and after 2 or 3 minutes, hose it down. Should be brand new, just like that.
You put your ass
That's man. How's it going? Hey!
Steven, what are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Here.
Huh?
I'm sanding down the frame with electrical power tools to make it easier. So all this rust, trying to get rid of it with this thing. Nice
Awesome.
aggressive.
This one here. You see that? It's got a. That one's got the crop of it.
So if you're grinding here, what you want to try and do is stand like this, so your face is out of the way as well. Because if anything happens to this,
That's facing you.
yeah, I know, but like this is okay, because you just don't want to be in line with it.
Oh, okay, because it'll go that way. So you really don't want to be there either.
Yeah, but
Oh man, I felt like some stuff hit me from here. Alright, what do we do today, Steve?
Because I'm turning 30 now.
took all the brakes off this bike, uses fans.
Took the brakes off the front caliper.
Front caliper
And
and
the back one?
and the same at the back.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
started it and found out that if you hit it with a hammer, the lights come on.
Cool.
So
it's
that's
not-
how you fix the lights.
It's a nice feature. And what did you do, Sarah?
I undid some nuts and bolts,
Yeah.
helped get rid of the brake cable, and I did some, what is it called? Huh? Sanding with a wire thingy.
Yeah, on the angle grinder. Nice.
I believe the technical term was some corrosion removal.
What a dog.
Travis is being a real dog today, actually.
Alright. What'd you do, Tori?
Today I was mostly moral support,
Uh-huh.
so yeah,
Yeah, Bickles, what did you do?
begging for food.
Begging for food. And Hayden, what'd you do, man?
Got the pressure washer and just hose down Dolly, give her a bit of a clean up.
Yeah. Awesome, yeah, and she's looking good. Got rid of a lot of that grease and whatnot. Some degreaser. She's a bit rusty, but we'll get into it next week. Alright, sweet.
You ready for this?
Yeah, Wow, that's awesome, man. Very good.